Philosophy. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principle of dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just and humane society. Vision. A dynamic, diverse, and internationally recognized university. A dynamic and inclusive university in southern Philippines. Mission. Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges to deliver effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. It commits to provide advanced professional, technical, and technopreneurial training with the aim of producing highly competent and self-innovative individuals. Goals. Globally competitive educational institution, resilient to internal unrest and hazards. Innovative processes of solutions in research translated to extension engagements. Partnerships and collaborations with private enterprise, other HEIs, government agencies, and alumni. Sound fiscal management and participatory governance.